In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Slack Workspace URL. Knowing your Slack Workspace URL is super handy. It's the unique web address for your team's space, and it's what you'll share with coworkers so they can sign in, or what you'll bookmark so you can get back to Slack quickly. Let's walk through it clearly and simply. First, make sure you're on Slack's home view for the workspace you care about. This is the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages in the sidebar, with your conversation area in the middle. You can do this in the desktop app or in a web browser. The layout is the same in the top left corner, which is where we're headed next. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, confirm you're looking at the right one before moving on, so the URL you find matches the team you actually want. Now, look to the very top left of Slack's sidebar. You'll see your workspace name there, often next to a small icon or logo. Click that workspace name. When you click it, Slack opens a small menu or panel tied to the workspace. This is a quick control center for things like preferences and workspace details, and it's exactly where Slack keeps the address we're after. In that panel, focus on the header area at the top. Directly beneath the workspace name, Slack displays the workspace URL. It usually looks like a short, memorable address in the format yourteamnameslack.com. That's it. That's the official URL for your workspace. It's the base address you'd use to sign in, and it's safe to share internally with teammates who need to join or return to your space. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. If your Slack window is very narrow, widen it so the workspace name and its menu are easy to see. Themes or compact layouts can make text feel tight, so a little extra room helps the URL stand out. If you're browsing Slack on the web, you might notice a longer address in your browser with extra parts after the domain. The key piece is the base workspace address in the form yourteamname.slack.com, which is what Slack shows under the name in that panel. That's the clean, canonical version you'll want to remember. And that's all there is to it. Start at the home view, click the workspace name in the top left sidebar, and look just below the name to find your Slack workspace URL. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get exactly where you need to go in Slack.